Hey everyone, welcome back to the Cliff Dips. Today, we're diving into one of the most important aspects of SEO keyword research. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, mastering keyword research in 2025 is essential to dominating search rankings. So, grab a notebook and let's get started. First things first, why is keyword research important for SEO? Simply put, keyword research helps you understand what your audience is searching for. It reveals their needs, questions, and pain points. By targeting the right keywords, you can create content that ranks higher on search engines, drives organic traffic, and boosts conversions. In 2025, with search behavior constantly evolving, staying on top of keyword trends is more critical than ever. So, what exactly is keyword research for SEO? It's the process of identifying the words and phrases your target audience uses when searching for information, products, or services online. It's not just about finding popular keywords. It's about understanding user intent and aligning your content with what people are actively searching for. This ensures your website appears in relevant search results, driving targeted traffic to your site. Now, let's talk about the best SEO keyword research tools for 2025. These tools will save you time and help you find high-value keywords. SEMrush, a powerhouse for keyword research, offering data on search volume, keyword difficulty, and competitor analysis. Ahrefs, known for its Keyword Explorer tool, it suggests related keywords and provides insights into search volume and difficulty. Google Keyword Planner, a free tool perfect for beginners, offering keyword ideas and search volume data. AnswerThePublic, great for finding question-based keywords to create content that answers user queries. AI-powered tools. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can predict emerging keyword trends and generate ideas based on user intent. All right, let's break down how to do keyword research for SEO. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Brainstorm seed keywords. Start with broad terms related to your niche. For example, if you're in fitness, think of workout, nutrition, or weight loss. Expand your list. Use tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs to find related keywords, variations, and long-tail phrases. Analyze keyword metrics. Check search volume, keyword difficulty, and CPC. Focus on keywords with high volume and low difficulty. Prioritize keywords. Group keywords based on relevance and intent. Choose those that align with your content goals. Create keyword clusters. Organize keywords into themes or topics for comprehensive content planning. Understanding user intent is crucial for effective keyword research. There are 3 types of user intent. Informational. Users want answers or information. Example, how to bake a cake. Navigational. Users search for a specific brand or website. Example, Nike official website. Transactional. Users are ready to make a purchase or take action. Example, buy iPhone 16 online. Here are some actionable tips for 2025. Optimize for voice search. Target conversational keywords like best pizza near me. Use AI-powered tools. Stay ahead of emerging keyword trends. Focus on local SEO. Target location-based keywords if you have a local business. Leverage question-based keywords. Create content that answers common questions. Explore visual and video keywords. Optimize for platforms like YouTube and TikTok with keywords like how-to videos or tutorials. And that's it. You're now equipped with the tools, strategies, and tips to master keyword research in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite keyword research tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.